Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to enable Notepad tabs in Windows 11 22H2 latest build 22621.1105. So if we open Settings, go to About, you will find it Windows 11 22H2. And the build number is 22621.1105. Now open Notepad. We will not find any tabs on it. If you want to enable it now, let's start. First open your browser and go to this website. I'll leave it in the video description. Change this to product ID and write this product number. I'll leave it also in the video description. Change this to fast. And click here. Move down, and you will find Microsoft Windows and Notepad bundle here. Around 12 megabytes. Right-click on it. Save link as. Choose a location, and click Save. If you got this warning, choose Keep to keep downloaded file. Keep anyway. Then open File Location. Double-click on it. Click Update to update Notepad package. It will open Notepad after updating. You will find tabs here in Notepad. And also you can move it to be a separate file. Also you can move it back to the same file. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.